Newport NP8667 Shed Instructions. The Newport NP8667 Shed, a prefabricated shed manufactured by Aero Storage Products, comes with a detailed owner's manual that provides instructions both for assembly and maintenance. By following the assembly and maintenance instructions carefully, you can maximize the sturdiness and longevity of the shed. Standout features of the 8-foot by 6-foot Newport NP8667 include galvanized steel construction, dual sliding doors and a storage capacity of 255 cubic feet. Prep. Before you begin assembling the Newport NP8667 shed, check local municipal building codes in regard to footing requirements, location requirements and whatever other requirements apply. The best location for a shed will be a level piece of ground that has well-draining soil. In addition, there should be adequate space for carrying parts and tools into position during the assembly process. Assembly. Study the hardware and fasteners that you will use for assembling the Newport NP8667 shed, and separate them according to their part numbers. Attach related parts together at the beginning of the assembly process to make larger sub-assemblies that you will use later. For best results, assemble the Newport NP8667 on a dry, windless day. At least 2 people should undertake the assembly. One can position the shed's panels and parts while the other can handle the tools and attach the fasteners. Take care when handling the Newport NP8667's parts, as some have sharp edges. To avoid injury, wear work gloves, long sleeves and protective goggles during the assembly process. Flooring and anchoring. To ensure that a Newport NP8667 shed comes out square and level, you need to assemble it on top of a base. In addition, to prevent the wind from damaging the shed, you need to anchor it to the ground. The necessary base and anchoring tools do not come with the Newport NP8667. For best results, the manufacturer recommends purchasing the Aero Floor Frame Kit and the Aero Anchoring Kit, which you can find at local dealer locations or order through the mail. However, other base and anchoring systems can work as well. Maintenance. To achieve a lasting finish on your Newport NP8667 shed's exterior, the manufacturer recommends cleaning and waxing the shed's surfaces periodically. In addition, you should treat scratches by scrubbing them with a wire brush, washing them and applying touch-up paint. To prevent heavy amounts of leaves and snow from damaging the shed, clear off its roof when necessary using a soft bristle broom. To keep the shed's dual doors sliding easily, clear the door tracks of dirt, leaves or other debris. In addition, apply silicone spray or furniture polish to the door track each year to keep the track lubricated.